Hello viewers, today we will talk about Anka-3 UAV and UCAV built by Turkish Aerospace Industries. It was in March 2023 that for the first time the Turkish Aerospace Industries revealed the technical features of Turkey's first flying wing deep strike stealth unmanned fighter jet Anka-3. The state-of-art platform is expected to make its maiden flight this year. The features of the unmanned fighter jet and a photo of the aircraft were revealed as part of two-day military radar and border security summit held in Ankara on March 21, 22 uh, in this year 2023. At the event, the Turkish Aerospace Industries General Manager Tamil Kotil stated that the Anka-3 unmanned combat aircraft system is now preparing for its maiden flight. We are counting the days to the flight of Anka-3, he said. The Anka-3 will have same avionic architecture and ground control stations as Anka and Anka-2 unmanned combat aerial vehicles, also developed by the same companies, Turkish Aerospace Industries. Additionally, the Anka-3 system has a low radar visibility, enabling it to operate covertly without detection. It also has a high-speed transfer capability, allowing quick deployment to remote areas with a maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 kilograms and a practical load capacity of 1,200 kilograms. It can carry a wide range of payloads. The Anka-3 can fly at service altitude of 40,000 feet and withstand flight up to 10 hours at 30,000 feet. It can travel at 0.42 Mach at 30,000 feet, while its maximum speed reaches 0.70 Mach at the same altitude, that is 30,000 feet. The system also features line of sight and beyond line of sight, that means satellite control capabilities, allowing for efficient communication and control, efficient and long range also because of the satellite control. It boasts a range of job description including air to ground suppression and destruction of enemy air defenses missions, intelligence reconnaissance observations, and electronic warfare missions. In addition to its internal weapon stations, Anka-3 also features external weapons. Among the weapons that can be attached to outer station are general purpose bombs with guidance kits. Uh, these are Turkish-made guidance uh, kits. It appears these are Tabor 81 and Tabor 82. Most probably the Tabor 81 with MK 81 bombs, general purpose bombs, and Tabor 82 with MK 82 general purpose bomb. With a weight of around 7 tons, Anka-3 is expected to be equipped with an AI-322 or equivalent turbofan engine, ensuring high performance and reliability. From the engine names, it seems its origin is from, uh, uh, as usual, Ukrainian sources, but I am confident that Turkey will soon develop its own engine to be used in its UAVs and the future fighter jet also. Now, with some background on this design, uh, the first design we can see in history in the Second World War, when first the radars were used by the British, the German engineers made a design like this, and that aircraft was mostly of wooden material. But that design, its prototype also was flown by the Germans, and it crashed later also. But the Americans, when they reached those German areas, they captured uh, those prototypes, and at least one of them was uh, taken into parts and shipped to USA, where the Americans studied that design. And the famous Lockheed Martin Skunk Works that actually has a lot of design, these unusual designs and stealth aircrafts uh, of past many decades. It seemed utilized that design, and later, about many decades later, it uh, was the B-2 stealth bomber that I remember the initial order was from United States Air Force was 75 aircrafts, which was later cut down to 20 to 20 aircraft because the cost of the aircraft was so huge, like more than $1 billion a piece, that Congress had to cut the funds, and eventually only 20 to 25 B-2 bombers were made. So that design, now you can see the developing countries like Turkey and even India has catch up to this design. India is making testing of a scaled down model of a winged design like this, and Turkey is scheduled to have a first flight of this design in this year. So Turkey is seems to be ahead, and not only this, in overall defense industry. I can note that 20 years ago, Turkey was importing 80% of its defense needs. Now it's actually producing 80% of its own defense needs, and also it's now 12th larger exporter of arms in the world also. So Turkey has made actually a lot of, I can say, amazing progress in this field, in this industry. And uh, another design that can be related to this design is the American Lockheed Martin RQ-170 Sentinel UAV. That was primarily it was on spying role. Uh, it also the R in this designation RQ-170 also means that it's a reconnaissance UAV. So that was quite was seen in the media, you can say, about 10 years ago also. It was actually introduced in 2007 and it was deployed immediately to Afghanistan, where it is said that it covered Afghanistan, Iran, Pakistan. Later, this squadron was deployed in Korea also. So at that time, there were not much detection technology in those areas and in the rest of the world also. So it was quite operational. Even at one time, the Iranians hacked this system and landed of that also and also displayed in the media also. So and Iran also made two of the UAVs based on that RQ-170 design also. Most of the world's radar are old style, so it will be relevant for some time now also. So that's all for today. I will be back with another video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye.